Hello everyone, welcome you all. Today I am going to explain you about one option which is available in Chrome options. So using which we can disable this particular message. So whenever we launch any browser for automation, right, using a WebDriver, we used to see this Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. So to disable this message in this browser, so we need to code some options. So let's give a try. And in case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Let me open my Eclipse. So these are two commands that I written to launch this automated browser which is showing this message. So this is using the WebDriver API manager, but I wanted to use some Chrome options, and I need to create an object for it equal to new Chrome options. And using this options dot, we need to type this set experimental. So set experimental option, we need to select this option, and under that we need to type for exclude switches, and in the new we need to create object for this string array object, and under that I need to pass the automated browser, enable automation. This is a capital, right? So using this one option we can disable that controlled by automation, controlled by software. So this message we can delete or we can remove whenever we launch any browser. So let's pass this option to our instance of Chrome, right? So after that I need to launch driver.get, under that https google.com. So I need to launch this website. So let me run this. Now you can see a browser session is started, and you will notice that the browser controlled message is not displaying here. So earlier when I launched using this only Chrome driver instance, then it giving me this Chrome is being controlled by automated test software. But after adding some options which is available in our Chrome options, so by this we were not seeing this automated controlled by software. I hope this small session is useful for you. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe. Thank you for watching.